Most brands fail at storytelling, but here's who's getting it right. Storytelling isn't just a buzzword, it's a make or break factor in content marketing. Yet, so many brands fall flat in this department. The truth is, effective storytelling can transform ordinary content into something unforgettable. But let's talk about few brands that excel at storytelling and how it supercharges their content marketing. Nike. They don't just sell shoes, they sell a mindset.
But what they're selling is something that has incredible passion, and the thing they believe is about tenacity.
Every ad, every campaign is a story about pushing limits, overcoming obstacles, and achieving greatness.
If we show emotion, we're called dramatic. If we want to play against men, we're nuts. And if we dream of equal opportunity, delusional. When we stand for something, we're unhinged. Show them what crazy can be.
Apple, their storytelling turns tech into something personal.
I'm here, Shelby's here, and I'm super thankful for that.
Okay, now can I pull out these two?
They focus on how their products fit into our lives, making their brand feel human and relatable. Coca-Cola. With decades of consistent storytelling, Coca-Cola connects on an emotional level.
Hey, brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. The sky comes falling down. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. Falling down for you. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
Their campaign evokes feeling of joy, togetherness, and nostalgia. Airbnb. They let their users tell the story by showcasing real experiences from real people. They create a sense of belonging and adventure. The impact of these brands don't just sell products, they build loyal communities, spark conversations, and create content that people want to share. Their storytelling isn't an afterthought, it's the foundation of their marketing strategy. What do you think? Who else nails storytelling in their content marketing? Mention them in comments.